Gong Drum Table Drum. You can import double-frame drums from the Himalayas, Nepal. They measure some 6 to 110 cm in diameter. In Switzerland and Germany, there are now a variety of makers who specialize in the big table drum, single skin, on 4 legs and gong drums, generally a double-frame drum to be suspended, and construct them up to 130 cm size. The sound of these big drums is even richer. Frame drums bring us synchronizedly into contact with the male energy. From above, paradise, universe, and the woman, motherly energy from the earth. They have actually been utilized throughout the ages for bringing together heaven and earth. They have the terrific benefit of having the ability to be played gently, displaying low tones and lots of harmonic notes at the exact same time. The sounds produced varying considerably according to where you use them, at the edges or towards the middle. They can be played with very soft mallets,